If you often use the same items or group of items in your documents, you can save them to your auto text and quick parts galleries, which will then allow you to insert them into future documents quickly and efficiently. Quick parts and auto text are essentially different parts of the same tool. Quick parts is used for larger items like graphics, whereas auto text is used more for smaller items like names or numbers. Let's look at the quick parts gallery first. Switch to the Insert tab. Then within the Text toolset on the right side of the ribbon, select Quick Parts, which is indicated by the top middle icon. This will open a drop-down menu with a list of any saved items. As you can see, we already have some contact details and a graphic saved to the gallery. These can be easily inserted into any document with a click. You should save items that won't require changing to your Quick Parts gallery. Contacts will be used in many documents, so that's why I've saved them to my Quick Parts gallery. Next, let's look at the Auto Text function. Reopen the Quick Parts menu. From here, hover your mouse over Auto Text. This will display any previously saved auto text items. As you can see, a quote, header, and sign-off name have already been added. Again, clicking on this will add it to the document. But if we right-click an auto text item, we can see further options. We can insert this at the start or end of the document or section, or at the header or footer. Because this is a header, let's place it at the page header. As you can see, we have added a header to our document using auto text. If you have a boilerplate text or an item you plan to reuse, you can save it to your Quick Parts or auto text gallery. Let's save this chart to the Quick Parts gallery so it can be reused in other documents. First, we need to select it. Then reopen the Quick Parts gallery and select the Save selection to Quick Part Gallery from the drop-down menu. This will open a new window with saving options. We can rename the item from the top field. Let's just call this Budget. Just below, we can choose which gallery to save it in. This is where the item will appear after you've finished saving. Let's leave it as Quick Parts. We can also assign this item to a category, or create a new one. And if you would like, you can give an item a description. Once you're happy with the settings, hit OK to save your item. Let's see if the item has been saved. Reopen the Quick Parts gallery. And as you can see, we have successfully saved an item to the Quick Parts gallery. You can further manage your items after you've added them. Right-click an item. To view the properties for just this item, select Edit Properties. This will open the same window from earlier. To get an overview of all your building blocks, just right-click any item and select Organize and Delete from the drop-down menu. This gives us a full list of our building blocks, with a preview on the right portion of the window. We can edit properties, delete or insert items with the below buttons. Let's delete the budget item from the list. Select Yes to confirm the deletion. Note that when you delete an item from the building blocks gallery, it won't remove it from the document itself. This has been a basic overview of using Quick Parts in Word for Office 365.